It is my belief that everyone should have a foundational base on which they can stand to present their knowledge to the world. And my foundation base is built on common sense, perception, and what we refer to as the spiritual man, also defined as the third eye or the sixth sense. And with this concept, let me give you my perception about who God is. It is said that in the beginning, God said, "Let us make man in our own image and likeness." And through common sense, we are going to break it down to get a better understanding. So, God created man in His image, and seeing that an image is a reflection of something solid, let us try to interpret this solid part to get a better understanding of the image of God. So yes, I am saying we can see God. So let us look at some comparison of His characteristics, which we occasionally refer to. God is omnipresent, just as nature omnipresent. We say, look, it's the hand of God. And the other version of this is, look, can't you see? It's the hand of nature. We often say in the church, let God have His way. And when the storm comes, we say, look, nature is having her way. And the church preaches that God cannot change, which I also interpret as nature stays the same. So let us see what the Bible says about this. The Bible says in John 1:3 that God created everything through Him, and nothing was created except through Him. Romans 1:20 says, for since the creation of the world, God's invisible qualities, His eternal power and divine nature have been clearly seen, being understood from what has been made, so the people are without excuse. So let us unfold the image in simple common sense. So here we go. Common sense said, when God said, let us make man in our own image and likeness, who or what do you think He was speaking to? Do you think it was other gods like Himself? Before you answer, I want you to know this. A god is anything that has complete rule or power over its environment and over all who put their life dependency in it, like a name, an animal, a person, a place, or a thing. And if so, then the earth is likened unto a god. The water is also likened unto a god. The air is likened unto a god. And the sun is also likened unto a god. So common sense says that the four elements of the universe came together and said, let us make man in our image and likeness to have dominion over the creation. So this was the process. The earth and the water, they came together to form the man. Then the sun and its energy bind them together. And finally, when the air was breathed into his nostril, man became a living soul, as the Bible said. This is the interpretation of my perception through common sense, that which God gave to us before any book was written. So to conclude, the God that I know could also be called nature, because if Nebuchadnezzar can call him El Elyon, and Gideon can call him Yahweh Shalom, and if Abraham can also call him El Shaddai, then I can call him nature.